tattoos. Y'all know about her shit, man. She got some dope ass work. Got wristbands and everything, man. Y'all hit her up for some discounts. All that good shit, you know what I'm saying? We got all kind of specials and shit going on. This is basketball, a summer series. Caneo probably let's go.
I wake up every morning, think about this cash. We lit up until we change. I'ma head up to the big mic. Danger like Goku wants to damn. Made them tell to find me, I'ma head up to the big mic. Industry and play, fuck what the people say. Smoking every day, we just riding for a big mic. All this shit and play, working on my ways. Rolling up a haze, we recording for it.
Así son las cosas cuando vienen contra eso. Mami, mejor dame beso. Tú sabes que me gusta eso. Cada que la meto adentro, Tú me pegas si yo te grito, pero yo no te pego porque fuera un delito.
I party with the finest, man. Caneo clothing, you already know. Jordan Lindsay tattoo.
Not a lot of ways we can stop now. All of the ideas we done crossed out. Most of these people don't know us, cause we lean for a little bit, but you gon' hear us though when we show up. Planet got the blueprint for the comas. Don't really talk about my actions, but
What you
talk
tryna
much.
do? Tell me what you tryna say. You can get it any day, you can get it all way. No, I got it where I lay. Got a problem, say it in my face. Now you know what's up. Not a problem, let me fill your cup. Last call, baby, pull it up. No, you got it.
Y'all fuck with Caneo, man. I need y'all to make some motherfucking noise one time.
What you tryna do? Tell me what you